Good morning, guys. It's morning. It's 6 a.m. I mean 7 a.m. Sorry. There's a fly on the window. Get up. Get up. With a moth, I don't care. But yeah, 6 a.m. I have nothing to do until about 10. But yeah, I started a YouTube channel. It's great, guys. Soon I'm gonna start making these shirts. Go ahead and put in the comments what you think they should say. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. I got a cat. Like what? What? What's that? Ah. He's like, ooh, I'm in the photo. You can't really see it. He's like, good. I'm in the photo. I get my other cat here. Where's Layla? Layla! Layla! Yeah, I can't see a thing. Hi, Layla! Let's get her over here. Jimmy! Yeah, he's a funny cat. Now look at him following me. Yeah. Yeah, 6 a.m. I have nothing to do. Sorry if the graphics aren't that really great. I have a chunky camera. I was using my phone for a while, but I want to use like this. My phone. I was like, ooh. You know what I mean? So you'd be like, be over here talking on the phone, and have somebody thinking of FaceTime. It's like, ooh. But yeah. So I started using my camera. I figured out how to upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go and upload this right now. Thanks.